If your car AC is blowing hot air, AC Pro is the fast, easy way to bring back the cold. In this video, I'll show you how to use AC Pro to recharge your own car air conditioner and beat the summer heat. All you need is a pair of gloves and a can of AC Pro. To recharge your AC, you'll first need to locate the low pressure service port. To find the low pressure port, start with the AC compressor. Two metal tubes come out of the compressor. The smaller one is a high pressure line and runs to the front of the radiator. The larger diameter tube, which runs back towards the passenger compartment, is a low pressure line. Follow it until you find this port and remove the plastic cap. If you'd like help in finding the low pressure service port, check out our port locator on acprocold.com. Next, start the engine and turn the AC on to its coldest setting with the fan on high. Before you can add AC Pro, you'll need to unscrew and discard the plastic safety disc on the can. Then screw the gauge assembly firmly back on the can. The can's now ready to use. Don't remove the charging assembly after this point until the can's completely empty. Before you start charging, shake the can well. Back under the hood, push the quick connect coupler onto the low pressure service port until it clicks into place. Gently pull on the coupler to make sure it's locked on. The AC Pro Easy coupler is foolproof. It will only lock onto the correct port. You'll then want to check the AC system pressure using the built-in gauge. Rotate the dial so that the arrow on the dial face points to the current outdoor temperature. You can only read the pressure when the AC compressor is running. You can tell when it's running because the center of the pulley will be spinning. It's normal for it to be turning on and off. If the compressor does not come on, even though you have your AC running at max cool, it could mean that your system is too low on refrigerant. In that case, you would add a few ounces of AC Pro, as I'll show you in the next step. If the compressor still does not come on after adding AC Pro, you'll need to take it to a professional mechanic. When the compressor is not running, the gauge will likely register in the red. When the compressor is running, you'll know the system is properly charged if the gauge reads within the V marked on the lens. If it shows the pressure is below that V, you need to add AC Pro. With the coupler connected to the service port, pull the trigger to start dispensing AC Pro. While you're charging the system, rotate the can every few seconds from the upright 12 o'clock position to a 3 o'clock horizontal position. Every 15 seconds or so, release the trigger to check the pressure. If the pressure is still below the range marked by the V and your vent temperature is still warmer than it should be, pull the trigger to continue charging. Once it does reach the correct range, you're done. It's important that you don't overcharge the system by going above the target range. Having too much pressure won't make your AC colder. It will actually prevent it from cooling at all. Once you're done charging, remove the coupler from the service port by pulling up on the release ring and then screw the cap back onto the port. If there's still AC Pro left in the can, leave the charging assembly attached and store it in a cool, dry place. And that's it. You have a cool car again thanks to AC Pro.